old, very dangerous, completely rusty. This is the problem here, because here the water will not coming out and dry, and the rust can work all day long. Oh no, also very dangerous for fuel. Oh, rusty. Okay. Oh, there is the leak. Dangerous, very dangerous. Perfect. New product. Best product, best. 1, 2. 1, 2, and 3. And now tighten. One, 2, and 3, and tighten. Perfect. One more. Tight. Okay. Perfect. Best product, best product. Oh, perfect. Start with the longest distance. Oh, there, the air is coming out. Good. Now pump the pedal very, very hard. And look under the car if it's leaking or not. Not leaking. Not leaking. Perfect. Now use this and save for the next 500,000 kilometers. Very important to do this. Who could loop? Who could drive?